Be ready to prepare juicy and tender meatballs which have been inspired by Mediterranean cuisine. These meatballs are full of fresh flavors such as mint, parsley, and lemon zest, which then pairs super well with a homemade tzatziki sauce. Hello and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Today we'll be cooking delicious Mediterranean lamb meatballs. But before we start, let's first hit like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell. And now, let's get cooking. Before beginning cooking, let's first measure and prepare all the ingredients needed. Then inside a bowl, add half a cup of yogurt, 1/4 cup of panko, and 1 tablespoon of water. Mix these together until well combined. Then add inside the same bowl 1 pound of ground lamb, 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley, 1 tablespoon of fresh mint, 1 large egg yolk, 3/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of ground coriander, half a teaspoon of lemon zest, and salt and pepper to taste. Let's now quickly mix all these ingredients together using a rubber spatula until a mixture is formed. Once you're able to take apart pieces of the meat mixture out, let's create 1.5-inch meatballs and set them aside to then cook in a skillet. To easily form the meatballs, you should dampen your hands with water so that the meat mixture does not stick while you're rolling it with your hands. Now, inside a large skillet over medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of either avocado or olive oil and heat until it is shimmering. Then add the meatballs to the skillet and cook until they're well browned on all sides, which takes about 5 minutes. You should also adjust the heat if needed to prevent the meatballs from burning. If you'd rather not fry the meatballs in a skillet, you can bake them in the oven at 375 degrees for about 15 minutes or until golden brown. Once they're nicely browned, add a 1/3 cup of chicken broth to the skillet and cover it with a lid. This will keep the meat juicy and help cook it more evenly. Now let's simmer for 2 to 3 minutes until they are cooked through. Once the meatballs finish cooking, plate them with fresh parsley on top and serve alongside the tzatziki sauce. We truly recommend this to bring out the Mediterranean feel even more. Enjoy! If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to check the description box below where you can view all the written steps, check notes, and even click on our website link at cozymeal.com/recipes where you can find plenty more juicy and tender dishes from cuisines of all over the world. Before I let you go, I want to also mention that another great way to fully enjoy these delicious meatballs is to serve them inside a pita with vegetables as a sandwich. Now, you can find this pita recipe in the video card at the end of this video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video recipe.